Hey guys, it's R.V.C here and I'm back again with another video. I recently purchased the Amazfit GTS and I finally got it. I got it from AliExpress for $129 and the link will be in the description below. It is available in different color options, but I got it in black. Anyway, let's just see around the package, unbox it and see what it's all about. At the front of the package, we have the printed information about the smartwatch like AMOLED display, water resistant and so on. At the back we have some specifications of the watch. With all that being said, let's proceed with the unboxing. First you will see another box with the Amazfit branding. Then opening the box you will see the watch itself. We'll just put it aside and see what other accessories we get inside. So inside the package we get a charging cradle, which I believe is magnetic. We get a user manual in variety of languages, and that's basically it. Now let's look at the watch. The watch is pretty lightweight. I guess it's because of the aluminum alloy and the silicone strap. It doesn't feel premium, though the material used are of high quality. The straps are pretty soft. You can actually swap them if you don't like them. The display is amazing, colors are punchy and the text is sharp. The idea of customizing the watch face is my favorite part. I think I will just stick with the native watch faces because of that. Anyway, I will compare the GTS with other fitness watches as the review part. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss that. Well, for now that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just drop it in the comment box below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Share this video and I guess I'll have to see you in the next one. Bye.